Hello and welcome. Brace yourself for 30 captivating questions crafted to challenge your mind. What is the job of your teeth? To break down food. To help you breathe. To help you see. The correct answer is to break down food. A quick fact for you, your teeth are a very important part of your digestive system for chewing. What is the process of food traveling through your body called? Breathing. Digestion. Thinking. The correct answer is digestion. Here's an interesting fact. Digestion is the process of breaking down food to get energy. Which part of the body digests food after you swallow it? The stomach. The lungs. The heart. The correct answer is the stomach. Fun fact, the stomach is a muscular bag that breaks down food with strong acids. What are the sharp teeth at the front of your mouth for? Grinding food. Cutting and biting. Making you talk. The correct answer is cutting and biting. Knowledge boost, your incisors are sharp teeth at the front used for biting and cutting food. What is the purpose of a food chain? To show a food menu. To show how animals get energy from food. To show where animals live. The correct answer is to show how animals get energy from food. Here's something cool. A food chain shows how energy moves through an ecosystem as animals eat each other. What do we call an animal that eats only plants? Carnivore. Herbivore. Omnivore. The correct answer is herbivore. Did you know? A herbivore is an animal whose diet consists only of plants. Which of these is a liquid at room temperature? Wood. Stone. Water. The correct answer is water. Fun fact, water is a substance that is a liquid at normal room temperature. What is the process of a liquid turning into a solid called? Melting. Freezing. Evaporation. The correct answer is freezing. Did you know? Freezing is when a substance changes from a liquid to a solid. What is the name for the gas that a liquid turns into when it boils? Vapor. Air. Smoke. The correct answer is vapor. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Vapor is the gaseous form of a liquid like steam from boiling water. Which of these would be a good conductor of heat? A wooden spoon. A metal spoon. A plastic spoon. The correct answer is a metal spoon. Impress your friends with this fact: a metal spoon transfers heat quickly, making it a good conductor. What is a simple circuit made of? A battery, a switch, and a speaker. A battery, a wire, and a bulb. A battery, a fan, and a TV. The correct answer is a battery, a wire, and a bulb. Let's learn something new. A simple circuit needs a power source, a path, and a component like a bulb. What material would you use to stop electricity from flowing? Plastic, metal, glass. The correct answer is plastic. Here's an interesting fact: plastic is a good insulator which blocks the flow of electricity. What is a force that makes objects fall to the ground? Push, pull, gravity. The correct answer is gravity. A quick fact for you: gravity is a pulling force that holds us on the earth. What part of a frog's life cycle happens after the tadpole stage? Egg, adult frog, froglet. The correct answer is froglet. Here's a nugget of wisdom: a tadpole grows into a froglet before becoming an adult frog. What is the final stage of a butterfly's life cycle? A chrysalis, an egg, an adult butterfly. The correct answer is an adult butterfly. Surprising trivia: the adult butterfly emerges from the pupa to complete its life cycle. How do we classify animals? By their names, by what they eat and where they live, by their age. The correct answer is by what they eat and where they live. Knowledge boost: we classify animals into groups based on their diets and habitats. What is the main purpose of your small intestine? To store food, to absorb nutrients from food, to make blood. The correct answer is to absorb nutrients from food. Let's learn something new. The small intestine absorbs most of the nutrients from the food we eat. What is the name of the big intestine that comes after the small intestine? The little intestine, the large intestine, the long intestine. The correct answer is the large intestine. Let's learn something new. The large intestine absorbs water and gets rid of waste. Which type of tooth is used for grinding and crushing food? Canines, incisors, molars. The correct answer is molars. Did you know? Molars are the large flat teeth at the back of your mouth for grinding. How many different states can matter exist in? 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 3. Impress your friends with this fact: matter can exist as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. What is a habitat? A type of animal. The place where an animal lives. A type of food. The correct answer is the place where an animal lives. A quick fact for you: a habitat provides an animal with everything it needs to survive. Which of these is a gas at room temperature? Orange juice. A rock. Air. The correct answer is air. Fun fact: air is a substance that has no fixed shape or volume, making it a gas. What is a good insulator for electricity? Copper. Rubber. Steel. The correct answer is rubber. Here's a nugget of wisdom: rubber is a good insulator, often used to coat electrical wires. What is the force that slows down a moving object when it rubs against something? Friction. Push. Gravity. The correct answer is friction. Knowledge boost: friction is a force that resists motion when two surfaces rub together. What are the different types of teeth we have called? Sets of teeth. Types of teeth. Dental divisions. The correct answer is types of teeth. Fun fact: humans have different types of teeth with specific jobs for chewing food. What is the sound produced by a plucked guitar string an example of? A vibration. A light wave. A force. The correct answer is a vibration. Fun fact: sound is made when something vibrates like a guitar string. What is the liquid part of your blood called? Blood cells. Plasma. Platelets. The correct answer is plasma. A quick fact for you: plasma is the clear liquid component of blood that carries cells. Which of these is an irreversible change? Melting ice. Burning wood. Boiling water. The correct answer is burning wood. Here's something cool: burning wood is an irreversible change because you cannot turn the ash back into wood. What is a good conductor of sound? A vacuum. Metal. Soft cloth. The correct answer is metal. Here's an interesting fact: sound travels very well through solids like metal. Which of these is a decomposer in a food chain? A plant. A rabbit. A mushroom. The correct answer is a mushroom. Here's something cool: decomposers like mushrooms break down dead plants and animals. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.